This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notification sound not working. So if you are using Facebook Messenger and whenever you receive a message or a call from someone, you see the notification not working or you are not getting notifications for calls and messages, follow the step-by-step guide to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. And here make sure to disable silent mode and tap on do not disturb. Also disable do not disturb mode. Then open your control center and if you turn on battery saver mode, then disable battery saver mode and then make sure to increase the ringer volume from here and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your messenger. If you accidentally mute a conversation, it may be the reason of you are not getting any calls and SMS notifications from the conversation. So all you have to do is just tap and hold the conversation, tap on unmute, and now you should get notification. The third solution is tap on this 3-line icon at the top left, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on notifications and sounds, and make sure your notification is turned on and enable all of this option from here. Then tap on customize notifications. Also from here enable all options and tap on sound and select a different notification sounds for your messenger. And now you should get notifications. And the last and final solution is go to your Play Store, search for Messenger. If you see any update available, then update your Messenger app. Or you can uninstall your Messenger app from here and reinstall it. And hope this solution will fix notification not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.